Okay, next we are going to learn about obtuse and acute angles. So I've drawn a small table here. We have obtuse angle on the left and acute angle on the right. So what is an obtuse angle? It is an angle between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So for example, we have 100 degrees, 150 degrees. So those are obtuse angles. And for acute angles will be between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So for example, 10 degrees, 50 degrees, 70 degrees, those are acute angles. So 90 degrees is neither acute nor obtuse. So all these numbers that you have, that you see here, which is the 90, 180, 0 and 90 degrees here, those are neither obtuse nor acute. So it's just those that are in between these two numbers that's given. So let's start with an example. So an example of obtuse, to find something between 90 and 180 degrees, I will take an example of 170 degrees. So if I want to find an acute angle that is related to 170, okay, if you are to view this as an obtuse angle 170, there is a corresponding acute angle here that I can find. So I can actually get the value of acute angle by having 180 degrees minus 170. So 180 degrees comes from this angle on a straight line. So here we have 180 degrees. So to get the acute angle, when we have 180 degrees minus 170, it will be 10 degrees. So for acute angle that is related to, that is corresponding to 170 degrees, will be this value of 180 minus 170 degrees, which is equals to 10 degrees. So we will look at this. 170 degrees is corresponding to an acute angle of 10 degrees. So if we were to study the effect on sine 170 degrees compared with sine 10 degrees, when we press the calculator, we have a value of 0.1736. Sine 10 is also having 0.1736. So from here we can see that the sine 170 degrees is equal to sine of 10 degrees. And we can simplify this as a general formula here, that sine theta is equals to 180 degrees minus theta. So this 180 degrees is taken from here. Okay, we already have 180 degrees minus 170 is a theta. So this is 180 degrees minus theta to get the value of 10. So this is the formula that you can remember. Okay, but I want you to take note here by observation that the sine of obtuse angle, so I'm going to leave out the spelling of angle, is equal to the sine of acute angle. So we are going to use this later on in our examples, and this is a very important observation. So to summarize, we have sine 170 here and sine 10. They are related by 180 degrees minus theta. Okay, one is obtuse on the left, 170 is obtuse, 10 degrees is acute. They have the same value, so we can conclude that the sine of obtuse angle is equals to the sine of acute angle. So